Hi everybody, this is Kim Say with LaMeel, and it's Sunday morning. Whew, I started off my day nice and slow, but it's kind of chilly outside, and the kids really wanted to go out, but school just started. It's October, and there's always the concern, or at least with me, about the kids catching cold. So I want to show you what I do for the kids. I make them something called a garlic shot. And the garlic is a natural antibiotic. It helps boost the immune system. And so it's a really simple recipe that allows me to get the garlic into the kids naturally, build their resistance to all the colds, the flu, the snotty other kids that might be at school with the runny noses and all that great stuff. So basically, we have two ingredients. We have garlic and we have orange juice. And this orange juice is no pulp, not from concentrate, squeezed from fresh oranges. And I put a little bit in here, okay, but basically all I do is I squish my garlic, and I use actually the bottom of this just to smash it a little bit. And I put this into the blender. Now in the small cup I have, let me bring this over here so you can see that. In the small shot glass, I had poured some orange juice in there, and there's more garlic in there. So basically, I have about 3 cloves of garlic, right? 1 nice tall glass of fresh orange juice into the blender. And you should be able to do this with any blender. You don't need like a high-speed special blender. We're going to blend this on high speed. Just for a few seconds. Okay, and then these are my little shot glasses here. The orange juice really helps to kind of mask the flavor of the garlic. Not totally, but it definitely makes it more tolerable. And then on their way out the door, and my kids will take this like 2 or 3 times a week, especially during this season, on their way out the door to school, on the weekends like today, I'm going to calm them down, give them all a shot, and then send them on their way outside to play. So enjoy, stay healthy.